The Rooster's City, an adventure in Denizli. "Welcome to Denizli, Ayla," said Uncle Can. Ayla looked up at a giant statue of a proud, fierce rooster. It's the famous Denizli rooster. They are known worldwide for their beautiful long calls. Denizli is a city in Turkey famous for nature and history, and this rooster guards all the secrets of the area. Their first stop was the most spectacular, Pamukkale, or Cotton Castle. Ayla gasped. Giant terraces of brilliant white rock flowed down the hillside like frozen waterfalls. The color was blinding under the bright Turkish sun. Uncle Can explained that the white rock is travertine, formed by hot, mineral-rich thermal water that flows down the mountain. Ayla carefully waded into a shallow pool. The water felt wonderfully warm and soft against her feet. But Pamukkale wasn't just nature. Right above the terraces were the ancient ruins of Hierapolis, a city founded nearly 2,000 years ago. They walked past marble columns and crumbled walls, imagining Romans walking the same streets. They climbed to the top of the immense Roman theater in Hierapolis. It was huge. You could feel the history in the air, imagining thousands of people watching plays and performances below. Next, they traveled to another giant ancient city, Laodicea. Unlike Hierapolis, Laodicea was famous for its massive wealth and being a crucial trade route city, especially for textiles. Ayla touched the cold stone of a giant column. "This city was mentioned in the Bible," Uncle Can whispered, "and it was so important that it even had its own stadium and massive temples." Denizli isn't just ruins, it's mountains. The air felt fresh and clean. Uncle Can pointed out that Denizli is surrounded by peaks like Honaz Mountain, and it's also one of Turkey's most important places for making beautiful, colorful towels and fabrics. For their final adventure, Ayla saw the world from above. They went paragliding. Floating silently, she saw the patchwork fields, the sprawling modern city, and the distant shimmer of the white terraces. Denizli held so many wonders. Ancient history nestled next to modern life, the dazzling white of Pamukkale, and the thrill of the mountains. Ayla knew she would always remember the Rooster's City.